Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Lebanon. So let's get started. So here we can see Lebanon has 1,000 number of people that are unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online is without any investing money and without any capital is through freelancing. So here we can go to the fiverr.com. Okay, so Fiverr is a marketplace where we can just sell here anything to the business owner and to the potential buyers. So what to sell? So here we can just sell the voice over services, converting the PDF into text, doing the shout out, watching the YouTube videos, delivering personal messages, and doing very much things. So Fiverr is a very great platform to do. It is easy to register. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.